Hey guys, I'm your German candy taster, and today I have three different kind of Minions products, and it's the Kinder Surprise eggs. So basically we have here two figures guaranteed. We'll get to that later. Here we have three, but we don't here's one figure, and I guess this is this is one of figure. So in total we get at least 4 figures. But I'm super curious. We will open all of these surprise eggs and let's see what's inside. Guys, I'm super curious how this is going to taste. So let's open it. Let's get right to it. Let's not lose time. So this is the first one, and guys, it's already a bit melted down. Oh guys, the Kinder chocolate. Oh, this is already Minions. Guys, the Kinder chocolate is one of the best chocolates I think in the world, because this has so many child memories that you can get with it. It's unbelievably. So this is how the first Minion looks. And guys, how do I attach this? I will do this later. First, let's open all of them and let's see what else we can get. Oh wow, guys, this is phenomenally how it looks in the end after we set it up. Okay, so first let's open all of the surprise eggs. Let's check how many Minions we will get. Yes, more chocolate kind of thing. Oh guys, no Minions. This is just a blue thing. I only want Minions, kind of toys. Guys, I'm super curious how many Minions we will get in the end of this video. So here's some more chocolate. Guys, no Minions. This is a car. Okay, so in the first round we got 1 Minion. Let's see here how many we will get. And this says we get at least we get 2 kind of Minions. So I'm pretty curious. How many we will get? More chocolate. Guys, this is a tree, but no Minions. Yeah, you can see it. And of course we only want the Minions kind of thing. Here, more chocolate. Guys, how much do you like the Kinder Surprise chocolate? In my opinion, it's really one of the better kind of chocolate. Guys, no Minions. Still no Minions. Come on, only 1 Minion is bad. So now these two has to be Minions, I think. Because I think this has to be Minions. Oh, perfect chocolate. When I was small, the small German can. Yeah, Minions! Guys, let's attach this. Oh, okay, this is a surfer kind of thing. Oh guys, this is cool. Now you can roll. So we have the two here, two minions. So this one here must be minions too. Yeah, minion. Oh guys, it's exactly the same. Guys, this is exactly the same like this one here. Okay, but minions is minions. And now guys, let's open this one here. I wonder if it has some good chocolate also. Oh my god guys, it has a good kind of chocolate. Oh guys, let me taste it. Guys, absolutely awesome. The chocolate is so good. In the rating, the Kinder Surprise chocolate gets 10 out of 10. Of course. Oh my god, guys. What do we get? Okay. So. Wow, this is phenomenally. So first step is this with the minions in front, like this. Okay, next step is here these two things. Guys, it's like a train station. And now let's, oh guys, I'm super curious. This is how cool this is. Okay, so let's see. Oh, guys, this is cool. Okay, so in total we have 3 minions for the collection. And yeah, let me know which one is your favorite, and if you like this kind of video, then I will make more. See you in the next video, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Love you all. I love you.